Alright guys, welcome back to another video today on the Ghost Flash channel. As you guys see right behind me, I have the Miata, as well as a box with a whole bunch of parts in the box we'll be installing today on the Miata. But first off, we're going to go ahead and redo the AC because as you know, we did the engine swap and the AC no longer works, so we had to drain it. So my system has been converted to R134A, I believe, because obviously the 134 fitting that I have on it, it fits, as you can see. So I assume that it's already been swapped over. Obviously, first you got to hook up the cap or the bottle to the fitting, and then you're going to turn on the car, let the car run. You're going to turn the AC all the way to cold, turn the fan all the way to full speed. You're going to go ahead and make sure that there is pressure built up in the system. While the AC is blowing, you're going to go ahead and squeeze the trigger and unload the AC Freon into the system. Start the car, make sure AC all the way in cold, blowing, all the way to go ahead and fill it. AC blowing cold, boys! Woo! So next to install on the list is going to be, I wouldn't say a cold air intake, but just a filter. This was $14 on eBay, but I'm going to show you guys where this will go ahead and install. As you can see, there's an adapter plate as well as another plate that will basically attach itself to the intake. So basically how you have the stock air box, you're gonna remove the stock air box by these 4 bolts right here, and then that's where this filter is gonna go, basically just sit right there. So in order to take the stock intake box off of the MAF sensor, obviously you're gonna take off those 4 bolts that I showed you, as well as there will be 1 bolt down here in the bottom left corner that you will need to take off, and then it will automatically separate itself from it. So this black piece, you're going to go ahead and put this on right here. Then you're gonna go ahead and slip the filter on over it like so. This is gonna take 2 hands, give me a second. So the intake filter is now in. I wouldn't call it a cold air intake, because obviously a full cold air intake would go all the way to the intake manifold, but this is not the case. It's just a filter. Just wanna do something, you know, make the engine bay look a little bit nicer. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next piece of the puzzle to do to the car today. But yeah, if you guys didn't know, I put a 10-inch sub in the back. Next thing to get replaced on the back of this car will be these ugly looking taillights. As you can see, we got some brand new eBay special because this whole car is an eBay special build. As you can see, everything on this car was pretty much purchased through eBay, and I'm not going to be ashamed about it either because I do not care. These are the old taillights. The new taillights look like this, all smoked out, blacked out, clear lenses, beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and swap these over right about now. So in order to take off the OEM taillight, obviously there's gonna be 4 bolts in the back. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you just need to unplug the bulb. And then for the other 2 bulbs, there's a whole bracket that you have to pinch on the top and pull off. So we're gonna go ahead and transfer this to the new taillight, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, I'm filming an outro in my room because I forgot to film an outro on this video. If you guys liked the video, yes, I'm sorry it was a short one. Basically just installed the new taillights, and I also did the headlights, which you guys saw in the video, but I actually did not record myself doing it because I did those on a previous day. And then also installed the new interior pieces on the car and got my AC working. So if you guys liked the video, want to see more content on the Miata as well as other content on my channel, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.